Welcome to Basic Tutors YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be breaking down topics of each science subject in order for you to have a better understanding of each topics. Because as a teacher, we believe that every student should understand fully every topics they are being taught. So, in order not to miss out on any of our videos, because all the videos we'll be uploading are very important, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like and share. We also have a Telegram channel where you can communicate with us, ask us questions, and meet with other educators. The link of our Telegram channel is in our YouTube bio and comment section. Now, say these after me. I understand mathematics. I understand physics. I understand chemistry. I understand further math. That is a spirit. Basic tutors. Excellence is our word. Hello everyone. Welcome once again to Basic Tutors YouTube channel. I want to appreciate everyone who has been watching our videos, both the reels and the long video. Thanks and God bless you. And to everyone who has subscribed so far, we are the best. We love you. Alright, so in this video, I'll be teaching logarithm, you understand? Mathematics, logarithm method 1 to SS3. Do you understand? So now the subtopic on the board now is relationship between indices and logarithm. I'm so sure my husband already made emphasis on what indices is and all about. You understand the laws of indices, so we shouldn't have issues with that. So now in this place now is the relationship between indices and logarithm. So now the first law is what? If b raised to power x equals to n. If b raised to power x equals to n, that shows that we're having x, you understand, equals to log b n. Do you understand? So we're having x, this one, equals to log base b n. So now, so when we have something like this, 10 raised to power 2 equals to 100. So what will happen? That shows that. So now let's look for the what we have to write this in logarithm form. That shows this one here will be here, this 2 will be down here, equals to log this one 10, then 100. Have you seen that now? So that's for that. So now I said if 2 raised to power 6 equals to 24, we are asked to write this expression in logarithm form. Do you understand? So just the way we did this ones, you understand? So that's where we are going to be doing this one. So now this one now will be down here, 6 equals to log, introduce the log, then this 2 will be the base, then this was 64. Have you seen that now? So same with this one. So this x here will be here, equals to log this 4, then 256. Now let's go to this one. Same with this one. This minus 2 will be down here, equals to log this 7 will be here, then this 1 over 49. Have you seen that now? So that is it. So we are asked to what? Express all these things what in logarithm form, and that's what we've just done. You understand? So now it's very simple. So let's move to other laws before we start what treating the examples. Okay. All right. So the next subtopic on the board is laws of logarithm. You understand? So though it's quite similar to laws of indices, but it's not. So now we have log mn base b. So when you see log mn base b, it means that no multiplication is addition in laws of indices. So that means log m base b plus log n base b. So it means it's addition. When you see something like this, it means it's what? Addition. So now let's do this. So we have this example, log 30. 30 is what? 6 times 5. So 6 and 5 give us 30. So we have log 6 times log 5 base 6. Do you understand? So it means addition. So when you see multiplication here, it means addition. So therefore we have log 6 base 6 plus log 5 base 6. So that's what this means. So let's do this one now. What gives us 72? 8 and 9. Okay. So we have log 2, log 8 base 2 times log 9 base 2. So when you see something like this, it means what? Addition, okay? So let's do that. So we have log 8 base 2 plus log 9 base 2. Do you understand? So now this is what this entails. Do you understand this particular law? So now this one, when you see addition, it means multiplication. When you see multiplication, it means addition. So now this shouldn't be a problem. So this is multiplication now. So 9 times 27 base 3. So that gives us 243. Okay, 10. So 100, what gives us 100? 10 raised to power 2. Do you understand? So 10 raised to power 2 gives us 100. So that's how we're going to solve this one. So 100 until means 10 raised to power 2. Do you understand? So that's for that. Now 7 is going to give us 343 in 3 places. Do you get it now? So we have log 7 raised to power 3 base 7. Do you get it now? So that is that about that. So we are not asked to go for that. If we asked to go for that, we would have gotten, we have just, cut this one and get what we are going to get. But we are not asked to go for that. So now we have this now. So now what gives us 25? 5 in 2 places. This was 25 here. Do you get it now? So now what we do is we'll move this 2, we move it to this place. You get it now? So we have 2 times 1 over 2 log 5 base 5. So when this one divide this, we are left with what? Log 5 base 5. If you are meant to go for that, we already have 1. So log 5 base 5 is 1. But you are not meant to go for that. So now this one now, this 1 over 2 will come to this place here. So we have log 25 raised to power 1 over 2. Okay. So now, so when this 1 over 2 comes to this place, it becomes a superscript. So it is what? Log 25 raised to power 1 over 2 base 5. You understand? So now let's quickly move to another thing now. Alright, so now this is the second law of logarithm. So the second law of logarithm states that log m divided by n base b equals to, so when you see division, it means subtraction. When you see subtractions, it means division. It's just as simple as that. So now it's quite similar to indices. Do you get it? But the only thing that was introduced here is log, which is logarithm. So now we have log m base b. When you see division, it means multiplication. It means the subtraction. So that's why we have minus log n base b. Do you understand? So now let's do this now. So when you see something like this, we already know 100 divided by 3 means what? Subtraction. So that is log 100 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. Do you understand? Same with this. Log 36 base 6 minus log 17 base 6. Do you get it now? So when you see minus, it means what? Division. So just go on with log 81 divided by 9 base 3. So we are not asked to go further. We have to go further, would have gone further. Do you get it? Just want to get the laws, that's all. So now this is the third law now. Say log n raised to power k base b. So when you see something like this, it means this k will come here, it will come before the log, then you'll be left with what? N base b. Do you understand? So now let's solve this one. So now there's one invisible one here. So we are not given invisible one, but there's one invisible one here. We are not given this, but there's one invisible one here. So now this one will move to this side. So it's now be 1 log b base b. So b log b base b is 1. So that will now be 1 times log b base b is 1. So we are left with 1. Do you understand? Equals to, now this one, let's solve this one too. Log 10 base 10 is 1. So no doubt about that. Log 3 base 3 is also what? 1. All these things are very simple. Equals to, now when you have 1, it means, so since our base is b, so it means that in all of indices, a raised to power 0 is 1, b raised to power 0 is 1. So since our base is b, so it will now be log b raised to power 0 base b. Do you understand? So now this is 0. We move to this side. It will now be 0 log b base b. So now log b base b is what? 1. So that is 0 times 1. And that is what? Is 0. So it's as simple as that. So that is that about the laws of logarithm. So now let's move to the next thing now. Alright, so now all those laws that we are already showing now, it's time for us to apply it here. Do you understand? So this is simplification in logarithm, simplification in logarithm. So we have to simplify log 4 plus log 8. When you see something like this, when you see addition, it means what? Multiplication. So this is log 4 times log 8. So that gives us log 32. So it's as simple as that. Okay. Now we have the combination of addition and division. So you know what addition is? Multiplication. When you see addition and what subtraction, you know what it means. Addition is multiplication, while subtraction is division. So what we'll do is log 54 multiplied by 15. So since we have subtraction here, we are going to what? Divide this one, which is base 3. Do you understand? So now, so this is 5 year 2, 5 year 3, 2 year 1, 2 year 27. So that gives us what? 81, right? 27 times 3 is 81. So we have log 81 base 3. So now, 81. So what gives us 81? 3 can what will give us 81 in 4 places. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27, 27 times 3, 81. So we have log 3 raised to the power 4 base 3. Do you understand now? So now this 4 will come to this side. If you remember, this so now be 4 log 3 base 3. So this is 3 base 3. So now log 3 base 3 is what? 1. So that is 4 times 1 equals to 4. So that is that for that. So now we have to evaluate log a raised to the power 3 base 8. So this 3 will come here. So now be log a base a. So log a base a is what? 1. This thing that is very, very simple. Very simple. The most important thing is for you to know what? The laws of logarithm. So once you know all the laws, to solve these questions won't be difficult at all. Okay, so let's move to the next thing. Alright, so now we have to solve this. So without using tables, evaluate 2 plus log 20 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Do you understand? So now this one is 2. So now we need to convert this to a log. You get it now? So what can give us 2 when we convert? So it is, since this one is in base 10, so we're having log 10 raised to the power 2. You understand? So this is what can give us 2. Meaning that when these 2 come down here, when it comes down, it will now be 2 log 10 base 10, and 10 base 10 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So that is why we are getting. So that is what gives us 2. So this is what gives us 2. So now we can now substitute this one into this equation. It's very simple. So now let's do that now. So we have log. So instead of writing 2, just write this plus log 10 20 minus log 2 raised to the power 10. So now, so let's use that loss now. The first law, 10 raised to the power 2 times 20, all in log 10. So they are all in log 10. Divided by what? 2. So this is 2 year 1, 2 year, so 2 year 1, 2 year 10. So this is what? 1000. 10 raised to the power 2 times 10 raised to the power 1 is what? 1000. So we have log 1000 base 10. So what's 10 raised to the power 3 is going to give us 1000. Okay? So now we have log 10 raised to the power 3 base 10. So what we do, this 3 will come down here the normal way. So if you will be following us, you won't have any issue about this. So that's why if you are watching this as a short video, ensure you watch the full video so I can have a better understanding of what you have to ensure you watch the laws of logarithm for you to have a better understanding of the magic we are doing. Because it will look like magic to you if you don't understand the laws of logarithm. So now 10 base 10 is 1. So we have 3 times 1 equals to 3. Okay, that's about that. So now let's solve this one. So do we have any issues? So everything is what? Log x. So we are good to go. So now we are given 8 minus 2 plus 4. So now it's going to be 8 using board mass. 8 times 4. You understand? 8 times 4 divided by 2. All in log x. So it's now be 8 times 4 divided by 2. Okay? So 2 year 1, 2 year 2, that's 16. Plus what? So that 2 will give us 16 in 4 places. 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8 times 2 16. So this 4 will come down here. So we have 4 log 2 base x. So that is that. Okay. So now we have to solve this one now. So this is division. So this division means 10 raised to, when you want to convert it now, it means 10 raised to power 3 1 over 2. Do you understand? So this square root means 1 over 2, and this 1000 means 10 raised to power 3. Do you get it now? So now let's go. So we have log 10 raised to power 3 1 over 2. So when this one multiply, we have 3 over 2. Do you get? So we have log 10 raised to power 3 over 2 base 10. So this 3 over 2 will come down here. So we have 3 over 2 log 10 base 10. And you already know log 10 base 10 is what? 1. So 3 over 2 times 1. So the answer is 3 over 2, or 1 number 1 over 2, or 1.5. So it is your choice, the way you want it. However, if it's theory, you can continue. You can give it 1.5 or just leave it as 3 over 2. So if it's OBJ, whatever answer you see is the answer you're going to pick. Okay. So we have to solve these two questions. So now let's quickly do that. So log 3 minus log 2, it means log 3 minus is what? Division. Okay. So now log 9 minus is division. So ensure you watch, if you are seeing this as a short video, ensure you watch the full video. You have to have a better understanding of what we just did there. You understand? So if you don't watch the full video, you now have a better understanding. So now log 3 over 2. So 9 and 4 will give us what? 3 over 2. So we have log 3 over 2. 3 squared over what? 2 squared. So 3 squared will give us 9 and 2 squared will give us 4. Okay? Okay, so just write it this way. Log 3 over 2. Okay, so square is common. So 3 over 2 all squared. Do you understand? So these two will come here. So we'll have log 3 over 2. So when these two come here to become log 2, 3 over 2. Do you see that now? So now this is common, so it will divide itself. So we have 1 over 2. So there's one invisible one here. So that shows the answer is 1 over 2, or 0.5. So it is that simple. So now let's solve this. Simplify log square root of 65 base 10 plus log square root of 2 base 10 minus log square root of 13 base 10. So all are in base 10, so we don't have any issue. So we have 65. So let's do that now. So we have log 10 open bracket root 65 plus is multiplication times root 2 over root 13. What gives us 65? 13 and 5. So root, so it will now be root 13 times root 5 times root 2. Okay? Over root 13. So root 13 and root 13 are common, so it goes off. So we are left with log 10 log root 5 times root 2 base 10. Okay, so root 5 times root 2 is what? Root 10. So we have log root 10 base 10. Now as we all know, square root is also equivalent to 1 over 2. So we change the square root to 1 over 2. You see that now? So we now have log 10 raised to power 1 over 2 times what? Base 10. So this 1 over 2 will come here. So we now have 1 over 2 times log 10 base 10. So log 10 base 10 is what? 1. So the answer is 1 over 2 times 1. 1 over 2 or 0.5. Okay, so this is where we'll stop for today in this video. So this is the part 1. So in the next video you'll be seeing the part 2. So get prepared. So please ensure you watch the video to the very end before you download it. As we've said, it is one of the ways in which you can encourage us. Watch the video to the end before you can download it for future reference. You get it now. And once you're watching, ensure you share with your friends and family, and ensure you subscribe if you are here to subscribe. We do appreciate it, please. So now please also you can also go to our social media handles to also follow us. One of the ways you can encourage us, as I've said, is to follow us, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also we solicit for your support to get good quality camera, noiseless microphone, and tripod stand. So Any amount is appreciated. Thanks and God bless you.